But she did have an assault charge, but it was dropped with mother dropped.
Did you call this person recently?
In March 16th.
Okay.
And I'm just
go back to the phone thing. You should be able to call her.
So I don't blame you one bit.
No, I'm not.
So let me tell you this: since she's a resident here and you're aware of that because she's lived here for 2 months.
I told you she was
And is this the closest friend to the house?
You need to go through a process to get her evicted. Even though she's not on a lease or she doesn't own the house, you need to go
to the city county building.
I believe it's at the city county building, but it's I'm trying to think of the
or whoever you get a hold of might
if
be
you
able
just
to
look it
drop
up
you
online,
off.
if you just Google it at Marion County, you do have to file the paperwork to have her
physically removed.
Yeah.
Okay.
And the police will come over, the sheriff's department will come over and evict her. They'll serve her notice, give her 30 days or whatever it is to get her stuff and get out. If she doesn't, then the sheriff's department will come over and serve a civil eviction on her, which is all civil.
I just need
We
to
don't
drop
deal with
that.
civil law, we deal with criminal law. So. Yeah, but sounds like we're trying to get her a ride. Hopefully that's going to happen.
Okay. Nobody wants to take her.
Well, we'll see what happens.
I'm a nice guy.
Oh, you seem like a nice guy to me, man.
But yeah, okay.
Hold on, that wasn't the same person I just
So we'll see what happens.
He has Melody's phone number on his phone.
Is it on your phone? You want me to find it?
Oh.
So if you ever evicted, she won't be
Okay,
able to.
say Liz. Okay, so.
All right, let's go back to Volusia County, back to Deputy Chris Slover. Remember he said he found on the guy on the bike something that he thought was narcotics. He's now testing it.
Looks to me like it's heroin and or fentanyl, but we'll test it just to fuck it.
No breathing for really because he was riding
So
it as a
we
bike.
tested it. It hit almost immediately.